Print photos from your Mac using the Photos app for HP printers. Want to print photos from your Mac using the Photos app? We'll show you how in just a couple minutes, so you can start printing. Here are some tips for printing quality photos. Use paper compatible with your printer. Never use inkjet photo paper in a laser printer. Take high-resolution photos. Higher resolution pictures result in clearer and more vibrant prints. Edit your photo to crop the image and improve the appearance by adjusting colors, brightness, contrast, and other elements. Use high-quality print settings like Best or Max DPI. First, load photo paper into the printer. If your printer has a photo paper tray, remove any paper from the paper trays. Load the short edge of the photo paper print side down into the photo tray. Adjust the paper guides so they rest on the edge of the photo paper. If your printer does not have a photo tray, remove any paper from the main tray. Load the short edge of the photo paper into the tray. If your paper has a perforated tab, load the paper so the tab faces up or toward you to prevent printing on it. For inkjet printers with a front load tray, load inkjet photo paper glossy or print side facing down. Adjust the paper guides so they rest on the edge of the photo paper. For inkjet printers with a rear load tray, load inkjet photo paper glossy or print side facing up. Adjust the paper guides so they rest on the edge of the photo paper. For laserjet printers with a front load tray, load laser photo paper glossy or print side facing up. Adjust the paper guides so they rest on the edge of the photo paper. In the Photos app, open your photo. Select File. Then select Print. From the drop-down menus, choose your printer, paper size, and a preset like black and white or color, fine. Choose a print format from the thumbnails. Select Print. Select a preset or any additional print settings you want. Adjust the number of copies. Enable or turn off print in color. Expand media and quality to adjust paper type and quality. Expand layout to select a border or flip horizontally for printing iron-on transfers. After adjusting the settings you want, select Print. After printing, remove any extra photo paper from the tray and store it in its package or a plastic bag to protect it from curling.